Hello everyone, it's day 2 on Project Vampyre Resurrection, and today I haven't really done as much. Still got that front right wheel off. I got the tire removed, and I've been polishing up on the billet wheel at home. Still working on that. That's going to take a while. I'm probably going to change my plan and just put the newer tires on without polishing the wheels up, because I think it's going to take a lot of time to get those wheels shined up, get all the pits out of it and everything. So I'm thinking about just changing all the tires out. That way I can get it rolling, because I'm going to take this bad boy home soon. And I've also been cleaning out a little more of the engine compartment. Still been picking out leaves. You can see there's more in there. Don't have as much time today, so just thought I'd give you all a quick update and get some more stuff done on this. The locksmith will probably not make it here today to get the back hatch open. That might have to wait for a few days, but we'll see what happens then. We got 4 good tires put on the wheels. I cleaned 2 of the wheels up. That one has not been cleaned at all. Of course, all of them are still going to take a lot more cleaning, but this one's been cleaned up some. Already cleaning up pretty good. That one, good tire, dirty wheel. Plan is to try to get it rolling and get it running right now. That's the top priority. My amazing wife actually changed the alternator while I was at work yesterday. She also put a new serpentine belt on it while we were at it.
Okay.
Oh.
I got it right there. Right.
Oh.
Oh, it's stuck.
What is?
That boot is stuck in place. It's there to help protect all the fittings and connections. Yeah, it is warm.
What did he say?
He said, "Are you sweating? It's warm." That's kind of in a bad spot right there.
What is?
This wire. What are you doing at, Zane?
Yeah, it's in park. It only partially spin. It only partially spin. I put it in park.
What's in park?
The truck. What's he doing?
I don't know. I'm not sure I want to know.
Your husband's been messaging you.
Has he?
Yes, you got 4.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
What all did he say?
I don't
Yeah, I
know.
think you can look at him. I don't know.
Okay, put the cap back on. LOL, that's a nice car. What cap? Oh, okay. Thank you, babe. I was gonna send this to you earlier. It's a picture of me and him putting the tire back on. Well, me putting the tire back on, him just sitting there playing.
See, all these are tricky because you gotta get everything lined up.
Okay.
So there's always that one bolt that don't want to line up
Oh.
perfectly. Anytime I've ever changed an alternator, there's that
always-
one bolt that's a little. There we go. Well, you gotta hold it.
It's good enough. No.
Well, thing, just a minute, okay, buddy?
What if I don't want to play with him?
We're about done anyway.
Okay.
I'll tighten everything back up, put the belt on, and we'll be good.
Okay.
We go. What?
Good as gold.
Well, don't. And there's always that one long bolt
That,
that takes about 3 lifetimes to get put in. I need to take that apart at home and
like what?
this torque wrench.
What's
Well,
wrong
it's
with it?
not a torque wrench, but ratchet.
What's wrong with it?
It's inside here. There's that pivots.
Mm-hmm.
There's a lever that pivots back and forth.
Yeah.
Sometimes it gets loose in there. You got to go back in and tighten everything up. And
Okay.
it happens a lot to the torque wrenches at work. It just happens after time.
No, don't put the truck down.
No. Get it out of there, please. Don't mess with the jack at all.
Crap, I can't set it down.
Huh?
I can't find a place to set it down.
Yep. Okay, hold it.
Yeah, just set it down here.
Why are you not close?
I don't know.
So when we put the belt on, I'm going to need you to remember how you got down on that side to
Yeah.
down there at the bottom.
Right there?
Yeah.
No.
You're going to have to get that part.
I remember it loops around, loops under
There's a
here.
diagram right there.
Yeah.
Most cars have one under the hood.
Yeah, I memorized how it looked.
Well, yeah, you can pretty much figure out. Check all the pulleys real quick.
Well,
Make sure
check
they
if
all
they
turn
spin.
pretty good.
That one.
Yeah, they should all. Well, not
That
all of
one's
them
good.
spin. But
That one's good. That one's good. That one, I'm not sure. No,
no, that won't.
that one's powered by a motor. Is that the main system one?
That's the one that turns the crankshaft.
Okay.
Starts everything.
That one's good.
It better be good. We just bought it.
Jeez.
You feel it? Did you feel that when you were using it? Kind of that really
Yeah.
rough ratcheting? That's because it needs
A new ratchet, fixed or whatever.
taken apart and tightened up. At work we have kits to replace everything inside there,
Yeah.
but we're not at work.
Just get one. That'll be fine if you leave with one.
It wouldn't fit anyway. Those are all 3/8 and 1/2 inch drives. That's a 3/8, but that's a quarter.
Yeah, that's 3/8 and a half. It's not 3/8 and a half inch.
No,
It's 3/8.
plus ours at work are a slight bit larger.
No.
So we got one that's probably from that side to about right here. It can torque to 200 foot-pounds. I think we got one that goes to 250 foot-pounds.
Jeez.
Yeah. That's throwing some body weight into getting that one to go that far. But whenever you have multiple bolts like this,
Yeah.
do you know the rotate rule?
What do you mean?
Get them all finger tight,
Yeah.
then tighten them down.
Yeah.
When you got them all tightened,
Yeah.
go around again.
Okay.
And again. I went the wrong way there.
Hey, lefty loosey, righty tighty.
How you?
Pete,
I'm
don't,
so glad you're very smart.
Pete, don't hurt me.
15-year-old.
It was a pain for me and Dave to get that last tire.
I bet it was. You don't want to do it too much, but you want to make sure they're all good and tight.
Mm-hmm.
So, that's all done. We'll hook this wiring harness back up. Oh, I gotta tighten this one back here too. Oh, it's different than it was on the other one. There's a 10 wire.
Getting bored.
Oh, we're doing it fast.
Okay.
I'm just tightening up these wires back here.
I want to stop like 12 minutes.
See, this one goes to the battery.
Oh. So that pretty much recharges the battery.
No, it helps the battery keep charged. Like a
Instead of getting rid of all the protons that it doesn't use, it transfers them back into the battery.
Yeah, it's another thing. Alrighty.
What?
We can do the belt now.
Okay.
Bring it up.